The final piece to the car puzzle for Gage's wedding this weekend is the taillights. This is the whole reason that we're here, and unfortunately, these things are rough. Not only is the vinyl wrap on the outside just completely gone, there are cracks in it, it's all faded, and there are LEDs going out. I can give it some love and it'll come back a little bit, but I do have a ways to drive this. Those are clearly gonna go out. So we just need to rebuild this. Those taillights are 8 years old. Those were the cheapest LEDs I could find, and they weren't even bright when I first used them. Plus, we gotta put some RGB in there. Oh, we are going to open up my only nice set of lights that I currently have for my own car and modify them. Right now, it is Friday night at like 9 p.m. The wedding is on Sunday, and tomorrow, Saturday, is gonna be a big family day since everyone's in town for the wedding, which means I really only have tonight and maybe tomorrow night to wrap these up. So let's get started. Oh, this is the plan. I've already masked this off. You can see where I'm gonna put the board. It's just like the other ones that we've already built. That's gonna be my template. I am now going to transfer that tape over to our acrylic sheet here. We will cut the shape out of the acrylic using our ultrasonic cutter, and then we are going to heat it up in the oven at about 200 degrees because that is going to allow us to shape it to the outer lens here. Once the panel is shaped to the lens itself, we can then come over here and cut out our words. We wanted to say just married. We'll then take our stickers that we cut out, put it onto the boards that we laser cut and formed, and then spray it with some black paint. Light it with some LEDs, install a Blue Ghost module, and then we will also probably paint the outside because I don't want the red on there. We have to try to do all of that tonight or tomorrow night. Let's get going. First, I need to clear off a space. Okay, we are moving on this build. Got the acrylic heated up. It is now sitting on the lens, getting shaped. Same with this side. There's a couple of waves in it, but I'm really not gonna worry too much about it. Now, I have moved on to cutting the letters out so that we can get prepped for paint tonight. These really teeny tiny Cricut laser sticker machine things that you use your phone. Letters are cut out, at least the just side is. And I found hearts, so I'm probably gonna throw a couple of those on there probably. It's time to cut out the word married so that we can move on to paint. I don't use this thing that often anymore, but when I need it, it comes in clutch. Let's get these letters on the transfer paper. I ran out of actual transfer paper, so we're just gonna have to use some tape, which is fine. Now, I just need to get a general idea of where these are going to sit. Since this project was so last minute, I was moving really, really fast. I ended up building a lot of the lights while I was with the family and around the family, so I wasn't gonna film any of that. But we were able to get them completely built and ready for the wedding. We made it. We are headed to the wedding right now, and just look at this amazing view. Pretty stoked how this turned out. It's gonna be a great time. This whole Airbnb is incredible. We're gonna have to turn off this show mode before we head out though. I do not want to get pulled over. Got a little after credit scene, a little bonus for anyone who stayed till the very end. I wanted to show you the aftermath of the $300 wrap. It did great on the way to the wedding and during the wedding, which is what it needed to do. But on the way home, got to drive a little bit more spirited, and it's just peeling itself off of the car. All the way down the rockers. A lot of the wheel wells, front lip. I did show that in the last video, but for those who missed that video, I needed to just show it one more time because I'm sad about it.